Hello everyone, welcome to Morningmate. My name is Kate, and in today's video I'm very excited to show you what a project room looks like from within and all of the tools that it has to offer for you and your team. Let's get started. So let's begin on the home page. This is where you can see all of your projects. So let's select one to show you what it looks like from the inside. As you can see, it's very familiar. It looks a lot like a social media post, and that's the whole idea, for you to feel intuitively connected to this platform and be able to use it right away. Keep in mind that everything that you post onto this feed will be visible only to the participants of this project, and the participants are right here on this list. If you want to invite more participants to this specific project, you can just click on the invite button and you will have three options. You can invite a participant through the organizational chart, you can send an email invitation, or you can just copy the invitation link and then send it out through any other communicational channels that you may use. Also, at the end of this list of participants, you have the chat and the video conference buttons. So if you click on the chat one, you will be able to create a chat window that already includes all of the participants of this project. So basically creating a group chat. And this is perfect for sharing information that doesn't necessarily need to appear on your feed. And also, the same way, you can select the video conference button, select the service that you prefer, and then click on confirm to start a group Zoom or Microsoft Teams video conference within all the participants of the project. Now, as you can see, we have 5 types of posts that we can create on our feed. Article, which is perfect for information sharing, task for assigning tasks, events when creating events for participants on your team, a to-do list, and a poll. All of these posts will appear chronologically on your feed, or you can also view them as a list. Whichever you prefer, we have both options. Also, you can filter this feed to view only the article, the task, event, to-do, or the poll posts. Let's take a look at these tabs that are located under the name of the project. So if we click on task, you will have an overview of all of the tasks that have been worked through and completed during this project. You can actually change the status of these tasks right from this chart. So you can select from request to progress, feedback, complete, or hold directly in here, and it will be reflected to all of your participants. You can do the same with priority, you can change assignees, you can change the start date, the due date, so on. You can select My Tasks to view only the tasks that have been assigned to you. You can select Requested to see the tasks that you have requested from other participants of this project, or you can select All and be nosy about it. You can also sort the tasks by their status, whether it's request, progress, feedback, complete, or hold. Let's say I just want to see the ones that are on request, so it will show me just those ones that are requested. You can do the same kind of sorting with priorities and the starting date and the due date as well. Next, we have the Gantt chart, and this will show you the timeline of your tasks within this project. Keep in mind that in order to have a visualization of the timeline, your task need to have a starting date and a due date. That way we can actually see this little bar here and be able to check on the timeline. Next, we have calendar, which will reflect all of the events of this project. Next, we have file. This is an archive of all of the files that have been uploaded to this project. So you have a quick access to all of this information. You can make use of this search bar as well to find this type of files easier and quicker. But the good news is that nothing gets lost. Everything stays right here in the project, and everybody has access to finding their files way quicker. And lastly, we have the history log of all of the activities that has been happening in this project. That way nothing goes unnoticed, basically. Let's go back to the feed, and if we click on these 3 dots, we can directly go to the settings of this project. So again, we can change the color, we can add it to a project folder, we can adjust the notifications, or we can hide it. This will only be applied to our account on Morningmate. So if you change the color from pink to blue, it will only be changed for me and not for the rest of the participants. This is just my way of organizing it. And as you can see, this is a very intuitive space and it's very easy to use. You will get familiarized with it very quickly. On the next videos, we're going to go deeper into how to use this type of posts, how to play around with all of the filters, just to give you extra hacks on how you can master the use of your Morningmate, just to squeeze some extra juice out of it. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I really hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.